An innocent man is about to be executed. Only a guilty man can save him. In 1998, the small East Texas city of Sloan, Travis Boyette abducted, raped, and strangled a popular high school cheerleader. He buried her body so that it would never be found. They watched in amazement as police and prosecutors arrested and convicted Dante Drum, a local football star, and marched him off to death row. Now 9 years have passed. Travis has just been paroled in Kansas for a different crime. Dante is 4 days away from execution. Travis suffers from an inoperable brain tumor. For the first time in his miserable life, he decides to do what's right and confess. But how can a guilty man convince lawyers, judges, and politicians that they are about to execute an innocent man? The #1 New York Times bestseller, John Grisham's The Confession, a novel, first time in paperback.